Lesson 11. It is composed of 9 brief forms. So we will start from when. En, where, er, send, sen, after, aft, could, kd, should, ish, d, and it is the combination of n and d without angle. From fm, street, str. Next is the combination of rd. So it is written without angle. So written as upward turn. Okay, compare from the word assure and assured. Assure is written as a-ish, u-u-r. Assured, a-ish, u-u-r-d. Next, hired, h, long I-R-D. Insured, N-ish, U-O-R-D. Toward, T-O-R-D. Guard, G-A-R-D. Guarded, G-A-R-D-D. Record, R-E-K-O-R-D. Hardest, H-A-R-D-E-S-T. Heard, H-E-R-D. Next is combination of LD. So, same with RD. LD is much longer than the sound of RD. Okay, compare male and maid. Male, M-A-L. Maid, M-A-L-D. Old, O-L-D. Sold, S-O-L-D. Failed, F-A-L-D. Field, F-E-L-D. Told, T-O-L-D. Build, B-E-L-D. Builder, B-E-L-D-R. Folded, F-O-L-D-D. Okay, combination of been in phrases. The word been is represented by letter B only. After have, has, and then had. Have been, V, B. I have been, I, V, B. You have been, U, V, B. Had been, H-A-D-B. I have not been, I, V, and B. It has been, T-H-A-S-B. I could have been, I-K-D-V-B. I should have been, I-ish-D-V-B. Had not been, H-A-D-N-B. Next is able in phrases. So the word able in phrases is represented by A after B or been. I have been able, I, V, B, able. I have not been able, I, V, and B, able. You have been able, U, V, B, able. You have not been able, OOV and be able. I should be able. I ish be able. You will be able. Be able. You should be able. Ish be able. I may be able. I am be able.